Today, in this video, we will look into the create an AI-powered assistant in minutes, and the software it's called GetEmmaAi. It's a website, but the software's name is Emma. So what the Emma is, let's go through this website quickly and see what it's all about. So quickly build a custom AI assistant powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5 technology. Connect it to your organization's resources or upload your files, empowering the assistant to assist with any inquiries you or your team may encounter. Okay, so let's focus on that. This is a GPT 3.5. So I'm not sure how long this Emma software is on the market, but for now we already all know, well, whoever is actually following what's going on in the AI world, that 3.5 is a basic chat GPT. Now, the GPT-4 or even GPT-4 Plus Pro is now on the market, and so this is a basic version of ChatGPT. I'm not saying that it's worse. However, as we understand, as I understand, it's not been fully connected to the internet. So let's remember this is based on 3.5 technology. I don't know. They might go with the ChatGPT 4 or even for Pro. I don't know. It might be for the future, but for now it's 3.5. So okay, so let's get started with examples. We go to examples in a minute. So yeah, so basically in a nutshell, you just create an AI assistant, and apparently you can integrate that software with different other softwares. So where you can start using it. So we go through the examples, and it will be very easy to notice if this is something you guys might be interested in. So personalized assistant, create a chatbot assistant that connects to your business data and integration, saving you time by retrieving information without the need of manual searches or team inquiries. Very important, very handy if you need to do some research or you need to prepare some sort of a job which is time consuming with the gathering the information that might be very useful. You have a help desk chatbot, get a help desk assistant chatbot running quickly by connecting your data sources, link integration spreadsheets, or upload documents to engage with the chatbot instantly. And you can also train your assistant. No data, no problem. Emma trains your assistant by asking questions about the info you want it to know. Your assistant learns from you and gets smarter to become your ultimate know-it-all helper. Okay. So you can interact with the assistant. You simply type in inside the message what needs to be done, and here you go. The assistant just provides you with the information. Let me see if there is any more information. Oh yeah, so there are examples here. We go through it in a second. Create an assistant for every use case. So you can get public health, center marketing, sales, finance, and accounting, engineering, seamless integration. So apparently you can easily integrate to all those different softwares like Shopify, Gmail, Salesforce, GitHub, and others, and interacting with your assistant. So you go once again, you can type in and you see the outcomes coming out of the, ChatGPT. Then you can obviously control your data easily. So again, there's a plug and go. You don't have to know how to code, anything like that. It's been built for you, so you can start using it seemingly without actually doing any sort of like coding behind it. Basically, ChatGPT 3.5 is powerful enough to help with apparently with all those queries which you might have. So let's go through some of the examples. Here you go, for example, in the marketing, there you go. You got what was the revenue generated during the Black Friday sales. The revenue generated during the Black Friday sales was here, this and that. So what was the open rate for Black Friday? The open rate for Black Friday 2020 campaigns was 25%. Are you asking the questions? And here's the answers. So I think this time is you integrated that with MailChimp. And if you integrate that with MailChimp, this information it's coming from the MailChimp directly. That's cool. Here's a different scenario, and we go through all those scenarios one by one if you wish to do so, or you can, guys, you do it yourself if you're interested in that product. Okay, so you can integrate that with Shopify, Excel, Gmail, Zendesk, Jira, Coda, Calendly, MailChimp, and others. Okay, so finance and accounting. So I understand that for finance and accounting, they don't have any examples. For HR, customer support, in supply chain, logistics, they still don't have it. So that's fine. It's no problem at all because it probably will be exactly the same what it says previous example. You asking the questions, the very important is to know what you want to retrieve from the assistant. If you know how to ask the question, what information is required to be from the assistant, that assistant should provide you with this information based on the data inside. You have it, let's say, inside the Excel. Let's go through other bits of those. So I already logged in. So you inside the dashboard, you have a login where you can log in. You got a dashboard, you got a system, you got a data. There's also you can schedule a demo where I presume somebody will be showing you on how to use that, how to make the integrations, how to retrieve the most of this of out of this assistant. Okay. They also have a few videos out there on YouTube where they're gonna be showing you, how to integrate this and how to use it, which is also useful if you want to go and check it out. And also they have their help center with a bunch of articles, bunch of answers to the questions you might have, like for example, how to build import content files. In this particular case, they are redirecting you to the YouTube video, customizing assistant appearance, how to add custom content, is installing the assistant widgets on your website, and so on and so forth. So you can go and check everything. If you have a question, you might find the answer here. And here, custom data, introduction, assistant guides. Okay, so it's a guide of how to actually probably do installation step by step, best practices, or example conversations. So you can present example conversations with the assistant. Overall, I think it's a quite interesting product. Might be a few of those already out there. This one is based on ChatGPT 3.5, which, as I said, like is not being connected to the internet. But I think in this purposes, there's no need to be connected to the internet because you just need to log into the, let's say, Excel or Gmail, so the data is there. So it's basically working offline, and you just provided the assistant with the data required. They just need to retrieve the informations which you guys are asking for. And the last thing which I want to go through with you guys is the pricing. So let's go with the pricing. Okay, so starter plan $9, one team member, unlimited users, integrations unlimited, total message. Okay, so by total message, I think you can type 150 times your questions to the assistant. It might be not much, but for somebody who has a website, a small business, it might be pretty much that's all what they need. If I would rather go with the small bundle first and then move on to the higher bundle, let's say 29 for $29, you have 650 messages. You got a team members like three, so you can be yourself or somebody who is running your accounts or one of the managers, for example. Everyone has an access and everyone can go and check this. Plus the other two ones, there's a 69. That's pretty much the same. It's just the team members are increasing to five and 1,650 messages. And for 249 per month, everything is unlimited. So guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. So if you're interested, just go to GetEmmaAi, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.